Well, good evening. This is Dr. Doreste with the Cranial Release Technique. It's 6 p.m., August 25. I'm in Port Washington, New York. That's in Long Island. And you can certainly tell that the summer is coming to an end. Although we hit about 90 degrees today, you can certainly see that the days are getting shorter. The humidity seems to be dropping a bit as we move towards autumn. And again, as you experience nature and pay attention to nature, in chiropractic we learned a concept of universal intelligence, the intelligence that controls and governs everything in the universe. We could call it Mother Nature. Many different people have different names for it. But certainly we all have to agree that there is some overall universal intelligence that is controlling and coordinating everything. And that universal intelligence didn't leave us out on our own. We have a piece of that in us, which we in chiropractic call innate intelligence. The intelligence inborn in all living things. So when I step back inside with the air conditioning, my body's got to change its whole physiology, because now I'm going from 88, 89 degrees maybe to 75 degrees, and everything has to change. Do we need to mentally or calculate what has to be done in our bodies in order for that to take place? Capillary dilation, capillary contraction, increase pulse rate, increase respiration, all the things that need to happen to keep us in a state of homeostasis, of balance. So as I'm here, I have a mosquito buzzing around my leg, and of course he wants to survive, or I guess we would say she wants to survive. I think it's the females that go after the blood. So we pay attention to nature and we try to live in harmony with nature, and that's exactly what the cranial release technique is all about. Because when the bones of the cranium, which protect the brain, the central nervous system, when those bones don't move properly and they are out of alignment, that negatively impacts central nervous system function. So receiving cranial release on a regular basis optimizes function. And with optimized function, everything is better. Your experience on a day-to-day basis of life is improved at every level. For those of you wishing to learn more about the cranial release technique, I'd invite you to visit my website, cranialrelease.com. And you can look at some articles, watch some other videos. And for those of you that might be interested in learning how to perform the cranial release technique that could help your friends and family, well, there's a button there called Online Training, and you can learn the cranial release technique in the comfort of your home or office. For those of you that are practitioners and would like to add cranial release technique to your current repertoire, whether you're a chiropractor, a naturopath, a medical doctor, an osteopath, a dentist, a massage therapist, a body worker, a deep tissue worker, whatever it is that you do with patients, I'm telling you that if you added cranial release to whatever it is you do, that will enhance your results in whatever technique you're doing, because once you enhance central nervous system function, you enhance everything else, and then when you go in and do your adjustment or prescribe your vitamin or do your acupuncture or do your body work, it's all going to work better. I think that's all I have to say for now. I wish you all a wonderful end of the summer, and I'll be back in touch shortly. Dr. Doreste with the Cranial Release Technique. That's cranialrelease.com. Signing off. Adios, my friends.